everybody, we're cooking.
Okay, you ready? So we're going to do another demonstration for you guys. It'll be interesting on making medicine and extracting from weed, or you're going to use oil. You don't want to use weed? No. Nothing with weed? No. Okay. So just if people want to talk, Gail, we'll just have to be really quiet, or we'll go up the back.
No, I'm going into the kitchen.
But can't talk in the kitchen.
Give me that bag of weed. Might as well have a look. Might as well show people what it looks like. Okay. All right.
Feel free to go closer.
So we start off with just put it in the bowl. Cannabis. All right. Grow it in the garden. Simple as that. Harvest it. Dry it out. Chop it up a bit. And from that, we use alcohol. It's very easy to do. You just pour it all together for 3 minutes. Shake it for 3 minutes. Strain it out, and that's it. It's done. All right. So then you end up with a then you dry that tincture out, and you end up with this. Now this is the extract that comes from cannabis. Okay. We've called this hash oil. It's this traditional name. That's hashish. Hashish is what its Arabic name is in Lebanon, in Afghanistan, and so on. And we just shortened it to hash, and we call it hash oil. Oil of hashish is its traditional name. And how they would make it traditionally is that you see right down the bottom there, it's very fine little bits of crystally type stuff. Well, that is the oil. Yeah, it's all produced on the outside of the leaf. There's many ways you can do that. You can separate those two. A good way to do it just really quickly is to just put it in a tin, just like that. Put it in a tin, rub the top of it like this, shake it around a bit, and then let it settle, and take the lid off, and stuck to the top of the lid are all the crystals. You just scrape them up, and there you go, you've got them. Now to make the oil, add a bit of alcohol to it, let it all go into the alcohol, evaporate the alcohol out, and you've got the oil. And the oil is the best thing, because with this we can make any form of cannabis medicine except for the one that's made from the roots, which I just got a sample of here too actually. You can buy them nowadays. Alright, and you can drink this for tea, quite good tea. Alright. But that's the only one that you don't need to put through all this.
What's that?
This is the roots. I'll pull a bit out for you to have a look. That's the roots of the cannabis plant. Okay? Alright, so we got to the stage of having the oil. So now that we've got the oil, we want to make cannabis tincture, and we want to make it for a specific reason, say headaches. Yeah. Has anyone got any ailments here that, yeah? Osteoarthritis. Okay, for that one we'll make an oil infusion. Anyone else? Any ailments that want to have a go? No? Alright. Okay, we'll say headaches. Right. So we want to make a tincture for headaches. Now, why do we want to make a tincture? Because it comes on really fast. And that's what we want when we want a headache. We want it to come on fast and get rid of the headache, right? You don't want to be waiting around for half an hour for it to come on and then go, oh, this is not strong enough, I better have some more. Okay, so, very simple to do. Can I have some hot water, please? Just get some boiled water. We only want that just to warm this up. This is ethanol. It's what we use to make tincture. The reason why, because it goes into your blood really fast, and it's a carrier agent. It carries the dissolved hash oil into your blood really fast to give you relief from a headache. Okay? So, I'm not going to do this. well, I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to do it as accurately as I should. Of course, I haven't got scales with me, but you can just put this all on scales, alright? You just tar the bottle off and just go to the right weight you want and squeeze out as much as you want. Put that on the scales too and get it accurate so that you're mixing it. Now for headaches, you want it about 100 to 1. Okay? So, what's this bottle? It's a 100ml bottle, isn't it? Yes, okay, that's a 100ml bottle. So I'm just going to guess this in. I'm not going to make up heaps of it, I'm going to make up a quarter of it. Alright? Because we're not going to drink that much of it. So from there, I will just measure out. Of course, we've got a measurement here. At 100 to 1, that would take the whole one of these, because that's a gram. So at 100 mils, one of these, just mix the whole lot together. We've only got a quarter there, so it's about 20 mils. So we're going to take 1/5 of this. Alright? I'm going to put it just on here for now. Squeeze it out so you can have a look. You can see it? Yeah? I'm up to. Yeah, okay, a little bit more. Okay, it says 0.2, 2 5s are 10, right? So 0.2, and that's about 20 mils. So we just pop that into there. Mix it down a bit, maybe even just warm it up a little bit. This is just the hot water, just to warm it up, and I might just crack that a little bit so it doesn't build up any pressure. Okay. Can I let that go? There we go. Alright. So we're just warming that up so that it'll mix. Doesn't take long, a couple of minutes. And now if we want to do the same thing, but what was it we wanted to keep? Osteoarthritis. Okay, for osteoarthritis we'll probably go about the same thing. Could I have some hemp seed oil? I think the hemp seed oil is just around here somewhere. Gail?
Is it in the fridge?
Anybody? Some hemp seed oil? What's this here? Michael?
I have no idea.
Okay, I better put the lid back on that. I like it. Good. Alright, we'll carry on with this one for the moment. That should be warm enough. I'll just tighten the lid up again, shake it a bit. My dad's mad. He always says percussion is very good. Doesn't really matter. Okay, we can see most of that's gone. Can you see that? Most of it's already dissolved in there. See that? There's a little bit still on there, and if we just keep shaking it, we'll see. Now, you can see the colour of it.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's mixed at about 100 to 1, right? So, if you wanted to cure cancer, well, you've got to drink all of that. So this is not for that, right? This is just for a headache. Got a headache? And then you'd probably, depending on how bad your headache was, you might want to have about, say, 1/2 ml, which would be about, yay. glass of water. Drink that down and within 5 minutes you'll know. Within less than 5 minutes, within a few moments even. You'll know, you'll feel it's easing up, or it's not easing up. Then you have another milk. You know, within about 15 minutes you've got the whole thing under control. You can talk about migraine headaches. Yeah. And if you want, you can make it a lot stronger than that. By instead of mixing it at 100 to 1, so you mixed it equal proportions, 1 to 1. Well, and then instead of putting half a mil and drinking that down, you just use 1 drop, and you pop that under your tongue. But the problem with that is, of course, if your headache is pretty bad and you put 4 mils under your tongue, that's a couple of drops of pure alcohol under your tongue. It can burn, yeah. So that's why you'd make it a little bit milder, and then just mix it with a bit of water.